And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete marketplace messages all at once. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about the feature to delete marketplace messages all at once, there is no built-in functions on Facebook Marketplace to mass delete messages. You will need to delete messages individually or from in batches. So delete marketplace messages in batches, all you gotta do is simply select the message you want to delete. On the Facebook Marketplace messaging interface, simply tap and hold on a message thread to select it. Then tap on the other message thread to select multiple at once. Now, once you have selected all the desired messages, look for a delete button or an icon like trash can. Now simply tap on that particular message or the selected messages and you can simply delete it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.